Mendel proposed three laws of inheritance. First, law of dominance, second, law of segregation, and the last, law of independent assortment. First, law of dominance. The hybrid offspring will exhibit only the dominant trait in the phenotype. Means, during a crossing of contrasting character, a character which expresses itself is called dominant character, while those which get suppressed by dominant character is called recessive character. Let's see the explanation. Example, height of the pea plant. In the height of the pea plant, two contrasting characters present. One is a tall and second is a dwarf. So here parental generation capital T cross small t small t. Here cross means transfer of pollen grains from flower of the tall plant to the stigma of the dwarf plant or vice versa. Now coming to the gamete formation, here it will be capital T and here it will be small t. On crossing in F1 generation, we got capital T small t. Here capital T allele for tallness and small t for dwarfness. Capital T is a dominant allele, so it can express itself and suppress small t. So the plant will be heterozygous tall. This is the law of dominance. Second, law of segregation, also called law of purity of gametes, means during gamete formation, two alleles are separate from each other and parents transfer only one allele to a gamete. So each gamete contains only one allele. Mendel formulated the law of segregation on the basis of the monohybrid cross. Monohybrid cross means cross involving analysis of only one trait. Let's see the explanation. Here F1 generation was allowed to self-cross. Capital T small t cross capital T small t. Now coming to the gamete formation. Here two alleles are separate from each other and form two different gametes. One capital T and second small t. Here it will be also same. On the crossing in F2 generation, we got four combination. One is a capital T, 2 capital T, small t, 3 capital T, small t, and 4 small t. Genotypic class is a 3. 1 homozygous dominant, second heterozygous, and last homozygous recessive. Genotypic ratio is a 1:2:1 and phenotypic ratio is a 3:1. Means 3 plants are tall due to homozygous dominant allele and 1 plant is a dwarf due to homozygous recessive allele. This is the law of segregation. The last, law of independent assortment. This law states that assortment of one gene occur independently of the other during gametogenesis. Means during gamete formation, allele of one gene get assort independently to the allele of the another gene. Because of such independent assortment of non-allelic genes, new combination of character are produced in the offspring. Non-allelic genes mean two genes of different character. Mendel formulated the law of independent assortment on the basis of the dihybrid cross. Dihybrid cross means a cross involving the analysis of two independent traits. Let's see the explanation. Here, F1 generation was allowed to self-cross. Capital Y, capital R, small r. Cross capital Y, capital R, small r. Now coming to the gamete formation. Here, 4 different combination of gamete are formed. One is a capital Y, capital R, second capital Y, small r, third small r, capital Y, and fourth small y, small r. Here it will be also same. On crossing in F2 generation, we got 16 combination. The genotypic class is a 9. Phenotypic class is a 4. One is a yellow round, second is a yellow wrinkle, third is a green round, and fourth is a green wrinkle. This is the genotypic ratio, and phenotypic ratio is a 9:3:3:1. Means 9 plants are yellow round, 3 plants are yellow wrinkle, another 3 plants is a green round, and last one is a green wrinkle. So this is the law of independent assortment. Thank you.